What's up, guys? It's I want to say Renaissance reactions, but I'm very scared to react to what the hell I just heard. I'm here with Kitten Loves and her boyfriend.
Josh Bear, he has a YouTube channel.
Yeah. And then we're watching WWE on YouTube, just watching sections. Yeah, and she's just like fucking German suplex kicked the shit out of him. That's what they all say. Then they end up on the Maury show. For those
follow, okay, subscribe to my channel.
I have 4 subscribers.
Okay.
You, Samantha, and 2 other people.
I don't care. Who's watching? Subscribe to my channel, Kitten Loves. I'm going to get the 40 subscribers. Yes! Dickhead. Fucking bitch.
I'm her father, so who the fuck are you?
No. Are you okay?
No, he's not.
Okay.
He died.
Josh, I'm so sorry.
He died. He died.
You know what? True love's kiss.
That's what they said in Shrek, and look what happened. They transformed. And for those of you who know Kitten Loves personally and don't know this, hey, you can see me in the mirror in the background. Her tickle spot's like right here on her side. Same thing with Josh. And for those of you who don't know, they're like having sex right now on the floor. The only difference is their clothes are on. So you guys just got to watch some free porn.
Stop.
And you know, pray for Germany for the terrorist attacks that happened. Donald Trump 2016. Fuck you.
No.
I don't have kids anymore. Anyway, I'll see y'all in whatever the next video is. I just wanted to post this because I haven't done one in a while. So, I'm out. See ya.